Mm, Here we go. Bang. So it'll just be, I'm sorry, I pressed the wrong button there. But we sold back through. You see this diamond, or you see this dot, see this arrow, and we sold back down through. There's another arrow, buying back up there. A little late, super late with that. Still went into profit, hit a TP, and went some more. So when you're doing this crossover thing, um, what I would say is just be mindful of what's happening with the ADX. Be mindful of what's happening with the top-down analysis that's usually right here too. Very mindful. Again, this is 180 times faster than what will be going on regularly, right? For this. But it could put you on the profit. You see how it's flickering back and forth. This is 10 o'clock. Is it the best thing? It's not the best thing to do, but it's another option. When it's good, it's good. I would say the ADX is more reliable, right? ADX is more reliable. Let's zoom in on that. See both of them are at home. And there we go. See if anything else happens. Both of them are at home again. 9 o'clock. Here we go. Jumped out. Great. Always take your profit. Both back home. Again, this is 180 times faster. Why? Because a minute per tick, and it's 3 times as fast. So 60 times 3. So you'll be able to see this a lot earlier, sooner, and it will be way less jumpy than what it is right now. But as you can see, that ADX should be the third. If you're going to do other entries, just do it with ADX alongside the top-down analysis. I wish that you could see that happening, but I guess we can't see it happening on the replays. So wait for this thing to jump out. And as you can see, we're floating right into profit. It hit a level, hit a TP. Again, we have to do it quickly because it's going super fast, but it's getting you into profit on the regular. It's a fake out. Now, when the background and this is blue at the same time, um, to make this more clean, just look for buys. Look for these buys. We're above the 200 and this is blue, so we should be looking for buys anyway. So shouldn't have looked for that anyway, right? That's pretty obvious. And it did a really good job there. Okay. When it is back and forward, right? Red here, but blue here, right? Just look for who starts winning. And this crossover too. Cool. You see the red was dead for this whole time. Again, that's 4:30 a.m. We're not in the market then, but you guys get the picture. When both are at home, when both are at home, like this, then this is where that line shines. The black line shines. Both are at home. We don't know which way we're going. You see, I was clean, and it came back again a little bit, a lot of bit. Now all of this is like this is 50 pips a piece. This is really good money in here. So that's where this black line shines the most during a real choppy time. Low volatility, accumulation, that's where it shines, right? And that usually happens around that 200 for sure. It finally decided a way and let you know early with this right here, with this right here as well. And you're good to go there. 2:30 p.m. 11, 9:30. Here we go again. 9:30. Buyers at home, chilling. Here's a good sell. Come back up, buyers jump out. Here's a good buy. Strictly looking at the ADX right now. Here's a sell. Coming back up towards the line. There's a little buy. So when this is going up at the same time as that arrow, that's great. Again, we should be looking for sales more so because again, pink background, pink foreground. Yes, it might go, but as you can see, the cells are much stronger, right? Cells are much stronger. And it's letting you know that right there. So those are the three different ways to make money. So we have the two breakout zones, and that's your bread and butter. That's your go-to. You don't really need to do anything else outside of that. Um, if both of those are out of play and there's nothing else that you can do for that time, you do have the ADX. And this line is, I would just call it a very interesting point. It's just it's a very interesting point of interest. Okay. And during times like this, where it has no direction, that's when that black line really shines. Right. So now, no matter what's going on, if we're breaking out into a great move or if we are in full-blown consolidation mode, right? Always lean to what's happening right now. That's that foreground. And then also what's happening overall. Lean to that. As you can see, even when this was going crazy, if you had leaned straight to the cells, you would have been in good shape over and over and over and over and over again. Why? Because it's strong. Same thing on this side. If we're buying buys and buys, you would have been fine on these buys here until it's sold, right? So that's that. And if we zoom out a bit, The top-down analysis really does help. It's just that it's not on here, but it will show up when you're trading, but it's not there during replay. And this is really, really good. Okay. So that's that. That's how you make money on a regular basis. If you have all three of these up, you know exactly what you're looking for. If it's not happening in one place, it might be happening in another place. If it's not happening in another place, it's happening in another place. Right. So it's really, 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 really good. Um, and now you can sit there and master and pass all your challenges and move forward. This breakout zone starts at 8 p.m. for gold, 8 p.m. And there's always a good move after that, right? Couple good moves after that, 11 p.m. for that. That's just right now. 10:30, 9:30. There's your breakout right here. There you go. 70 ticks there. We are way under the line. Came down 10 o'clock. There you go. 42 there. Buyers are dead. Came back up. We're not looking for buyers. Buyers are dead. And it comes back down. We run that back. We'll see that. Pretty clean. Pretty clean. And this is given direction. So you're way under this line. That really helps in that way too. Plus your top-down analysis when you actually are able to see it. So I can't wait till you can see it. That'll be beautiful. Um, but yeah, that's it. Just wanted to spend this time, go from there. This is kind of what it looks like during that time. So here we go. This is the 15-minute, so maybe it'll do it during the 15-minute. Yeah, there we go. See how that's all down like that? That helps out so much. So much. Clean. Very clean. See the pressure is still down. It's just starting to kick up. There's your arrow. And you just wait till you have way more evidence of buying to buy. Look shaky, get out. 4 p.m. But you see what the real move was. 10:45. Also here, 10:30. Cool. So I will get with you guys soon. That is how you get this thing done. And then in other videos, I'm going to show you how to actually set those alerts. Um, and that'll be it. And then you'll have an alert when this is happening, when this is happening, when this cross through is happening, and then also when this cross through is happening. You have alerts for all of those. And then you'll also have alerts for this line as well, right? Because these are points of significance. And you can just glance at it and see, all right, what's price doing? And you can usually find great moves off of that um, day to day. Okay. So I will get with you guys soon. And man, can't wait. Can't wait till you guys start getting paid and moving forward every single day, every single day, every single day. All right. So I'll get with you guys soon.